What's up, guys? My name is ULISES'S Martinez. This is my first video on YouTube, so bear with me. We're going to a car meet today. I have a 2002 WRX Silver, and I have a 2003 WRX War Rally Blue. So bear with me. We're gonna go wash the car right now, do some cold start for you guys. Welcome to my new channel, ULISES'S Garage DIY, where you're gonna learn how to do your own stuff on your own car for cheap and with your own two hands in your house or anywhere you can have access to tools. I will show you everything how it's done on my new channel. So stay tuned, follow me, subscribe, hit that like button, and comment if you have any questions.
Thank you.
Clean. We're just gonna throw some water on it, dry it out, and we should be good to go. All right, guys. We got the car all cleaned up and ready to go to this meet. It's supposed to be big. We'll see how it is. And here's the car.
Here's the car.
Sorry guys, I'm here so late to this meet that I just got here. It's actually 10, it's packed, but we got kicked out. I didn't even get a chance to record none of the cars. But it's a total fail, but it is packed. You can see all the cars. Everywhere. got back from the meet that we got kicked out. I didn't get the footage for you guys. Oh man, it was a total fail today. So the first car meet that I was supposed to go to got canceled because of the rain, and I was halfway to that meet. Then this second meet, so I came back from that meet and paid the toll and whatever. Got here, chilled at my house, and my brother texted me that there were a bunch of cars like 17 minutes from my house, which is not far, around 9:30. So I started the car, went through the tolls again, and when I got there, I was barely, oh man, I was barely backing up, getting ready to start recording for you guys. I was barely backing up when cops turned on all the lights and said that we needed to get out of here. We needed to go, that
It was time to go.
so that was like around 10, and here I am. Total fail.
Total fail.
This did not went well, but you know what? It is what it is. And next time, maybe tomorrow, I'll find a good meet for you guys. And that's about it. Thank you so much, guys.